Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
If your dryer won't spin, first check the door switch. Dryers won't run if the door isn't fully closed. Then inspect the belt inside. It might be broken or slipped off. Also, look at the drum rollers, which can get stuck or worn. Most problems can be fixed quickly with basic tools. Remember to unplug your dryer before inspecting it for safety.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.